welcome back to my channel again for another video over here at Big D EDC. I'm your host, Big D, and we're going to explore the best gear, gadgets, and tools for your everyday adventures. If you're into EDC, you're going to love today's unboxing. It's my first unboxing ever, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I can't wait to show you guys. We're going to do it all here together in this video. Let's get right into it. Okay. Inside this package, right here, is a practical addition to anyone's setup. It's a simple utility pouch. It's perfect for keeping your essentials organized and within reach. Can you guess what this is? Who it's from, I should say. Give you guys a hint. I got this off an Etsy EDC seller. They are from the country of Ukraine, specifically in the capital of Kyiv. And I'm very, very excited to dig right into this one here. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up, and I'll go over two items here that I've ordered for you guys. I'll go over the dimensions, price point, different options for materials, and so on. This was something I purchased with my own money. This is not I'm not affiliated with this shop. This item was not sent to me for free to be reviewed. This is my own purchase with my own money. So let's go ahead and rip this sucker open here. Pretty sweet looking thank you card here from the shop. Their emblem is right down here below, if you know who it is yet, with a nice little heartfelt and grateful message on the back. I really do appreciate stuff like that, especially off Etsy buyers like that. I know it's a quality handmade product, and they actually handwrite you a note at the end thanking you. So that's pretty sweet. The packaging is crisp on these things. Wow, this is nice. Go ahead and rip this open here and get right to it. There with the pirate emblem down below, and a large pirate emblem directly in the center here. This style leather is copper. Copper is something that I've been looking to kind of build an EDC kit around. I love the material, I love the colors, the contrast. Copper is great, and I was looking for another small pouch, for workday pouches, or if I'm just heading to the grocery store to get something like that. I wanted to go ahead and get something small that would fit in my front pocket, rear pocket, whatever it may be, and easily and simply in my vehicle. So this was definitely the way to go. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the first mate. It is the ultimate pocket-sized EDC leather organizer designed to keep your essentials stylish and in check. Handcrafted for functionality and durability, this organizer is your go-to companion for everyday carry. Got a front pocket here. Like I think you could put cards, cash. You obviously can make this side a wallet if you'd like as well. So you could store a lot of tools in there, a pry bar, some pliers, some smaller flat tools, even a flashlight may work on this bigger side over here. It does have a pen loop as well. So it features a perfectly sized compartments to secure to hold your pen, small knife, and flashlight, keeping them neatly organized and always within reach. But that's not all. The back pocket adds versatility, letting you stash cash, a pry bar, coins, or even a bottle opener. With its sleek design and premium craftsmanship, the first mate is not just another pocket organizer. It's the best leather organizer I've gotten my hands on in 2024. Whether you're an enthusiast or just starting out, I would highly recommend this, especially for the price point. At least the starting price point. And if you have the funds available, you can continue to upgrade this. features. This is hand-stitched, premium high-quality leather, straight from Italy. Hand-finished edges, which I always appreciate. An edge that is hand-done. Beautiful as well. Beautiful. The size of this one specifically is 10.5 by 10.5 centimeters. And I did add on the pen loop. I think a pen's important. I'm always going to carry a little notepad around. So I like to have a pen on me at all times, so the pen loop was crucial for a little bit extra money. The back pocket back here is 7.5 by 7.5 centimeters. Left front pocket, 6.5 by 4.5 centimeters. And the right pocket is 5.5 by 3.5 centimeters. As stated before, guys, this came from a shop called Pirate Goods Shop. Their description says that they specialize in handcrafted leather goods designed for adventurers and everyday carry enthusiasts. Each piece is meticulously crafted to blend functionality with timeless style, making them perfect for those who appreciate quality and individuality in their journey. As stated, this is made from leather in Italy here, so we have to focus on leather care. Here at Big D EDC channel, I want to kind of go over a little bit more beyond just what item is in front of me, what am I reviewing, what am I going to buy in the upcoming Black Friday sale, let's say. But I kind of want to go over treatments as well. Most of you out there might be saying, hey, I know how to take care of leather. That's a no-brainer, especially if you're an enthusiast in the EDC community, but not everyone knows. So this is extremely important, and I figured I'd just give a quick little rundown of how I take care of my leather. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments about caring for any type of material. I'll do my best to answer that. If I cannot, I will transfer that to somebody who I think can. So leather is a natural material, and it needs upkeep. I highly recommend applying on something like this, just a leather balm every 2 to 3 months, depending on how much you use it. Is it an every single day item? Is it a once a week? Then it gets swapped out with something new. 2 to 3 months is going to be the status quo for something like this. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to underdo it. You'll know when it gets all dry and stiff. So please, please, please take care of your leather and all your EDC tools, no matter what the material they are. That is very important. And the last item we got here is a black and silver Ranger Eye PVC patch. Little cute little guy there with the pirate emblem and the Pirate Goods Shop emblem on there. I do have my larger EDC patch here. We'll go ahead and set that on the bottom right corner. I'm officially a pirate. That's all today, guys. I just kind of wanted to go over the unboxing today, show you guys what's new, and we're going to continue these videos hopefully once a week. I do want to work toward a twice a week schedule here, but as of now there is no set schedule for my channel. It is when I can and how I can. Lots of content I want to make, and we will get there. My little notepad in the back. Drop the darn item. Daggum. The front end. Good try. Copper pry bar. And well, they're still a little stiff. And I was able to fit my Civivi Mini Praxis. So I have my Olight O-Pen Mini 2, my Spiral Notebook, my Civivi Mini Praxis, and a pry bar as well. All into this little pouch. This is what I need every day. This is something I can take to work, I can take to the store, small outings with the family. This is all I would need here. Packs very well, and the product looks very well inside of this pack as well. So I'm very happy with it. And I'll have links down below to the shop and to this specific item. You can see the different price points on there for certain materials, depending on how it's made, and if you want a pen loop or no pen loop. And check out the rest of their products. They have some pretty neat stuff and more stuff coming down the pipeline. So thanks for visiting over here at Big D EDC. I appreciate you guys very, 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 very much for hanging out here. And like and subscribe, as always. And please tell your friends and your family if you know an EDC enthusiast out there. Love you guys.